Hey, Alan with All Star Lawn Care. This is Viola here. Thank you so much for taking the time to chat with me a couple days ago and patiently waiting. And thanks for clicking on this video. So I'm going to go over with you a few things that you can do to help increase your online presence. I did find you guys here. I noticed you do have a few citations, but without further ado, let me go ahead and dive right in. When somebody is searching for lawn care service in Conyers, Georgia, Google's job is to put them in front of the article that pretty much has the most words on it, right? And that's what's going to get you to this. One of the things that will get you to the first page on the search engine for when someone is typing in one of your top keywords. So the first thing you'll notice are the paid ads. Google started doing these, the Google guarantees. These are specifically for small business owners and small contractors. But those are all paid directly to Google. But this area here, this is what you have that we started with, which is your Google business profile. What will need to happen here is you will need to create an About Us section and add approximately 750 words of content. I would say to look at the top competitor, which is Even Cut Lawn Care, see how many photos they have. If they have 30, you need to add more than that. And lastly, most importantly, citations. A citation is basically a directory, your business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the World Wide Web. And like I said, I noticed you guys do have quite a few citations already, but it's just a numbers game. So whoever has the most citations in this section is who's going to get listed in the top 3, because I'm sure you and I both know if we click on this, we're going to follow lawn care, gutter cleaning, pressure washing companies that are doing the same thing you guys are doing in the same area, but only 3 get on the first page and nobody goes past page 1 for anything on Google. So if Even Cut Lawn Care has 300 citations, then you want to get into at least 370 or 400 citation different directories, because that is the winning factor here. The person with the most citations wins in the top 3. Then lastly, you have this section here. This has everything to do with the content on your website, which first of all, you have to have a website in order to be in this section, as well as backlinks. So I went ahead and pulled up one of the top competitors. I think I have Unlimited Lawn Care. Let's see. Yeah, Unlimited Lawn Care. They're on that first page, just so you could take a look at their website, see what they're doing. I mean, they don't have a whole lot of information. Well, actually they do. They got some information there. It's still not 1,500 words of content, so it tells me that you have an opportunity to outrank them when it comes to content on the homepage. Now, I know they have several pages, as you will too when you get your website. But on the homepage is the main page, because that's where people land first. And when I say people, it's not even people that are crawling these sites. These are Google robots, right? So please note that they don't care what it looks like. This could be gray, blue, green, it doesn't matter. But what they do look for is the information on the site. And that's why I keep mentioning content. Another thing you definitely want to have is a clickable phone number. Make sure you add that to your site. And when it's optimized for mobile, definitely have it there, because 9 times out of 10, if somebody already lands on All Star Lawn Care and gutter cleaning and pressure washing website, they've already decided that they want to talk to somebody. They want more information. And 99% of the people that are going to land on your website are going to be landing on it from a mobile phone. So go ahead and give them that opportunity right out the gate in front of their face, that they can just contact you. Okay, lastly, I'm gonna jump over to this tool that I use called Ahrefs. It just lets me see the back end of a website and see what's going on with it. I want to talk about backlinks. So a backlink simply means that you have 2 websites. One site has power, the other one is looking for the power. So the one that's looking for the power has a link on that site. If you click on it, let's say for example they're talking about the top lawn care companies, and your company is a hyperlink. When they click on it, it passes power to your site. But keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equally, so you want to make sure that you're getting backlinks that have something to do with what it is that you offer. Here's how to do that, right? If you take a look at the competitor and what they have going on, you want to pay attention to this first number right here. The higher the number, the more reputable. You see, this is coming from Consumer Data Standards. This isn't a strong backlink because it's only given 38 power, whereas you got right here, Unlimited Lawn Care, MapQuest, this is a 91 power, and that's a citation. So You want to go in. My suggestion as far as strategy is to find out which ones are working for them, because 9 times out of 10, if it's working for them, it's going to work for you, and you're going to start seeing some of their organic traffic come your way on a monthly basis. I know I keep saying last but not least, but this is really the last one, and this is a bonus one. This is all about keywords. So I know I mentioned content on your website, but what type of information should be on that site? So let's go ahead and put in Conyers, because I know that's the major city that you guys service. And these are the type of keywords. So for example, lawn care service, Conyers, Georgia. This is telling us that 100 people look for that particular keyword per month. This company gets 8 out of those 100 because they're in the number 5 position on Google. See how that works? And then you have lawn care, Conyers, Georgia. This is a separate keyword than that one, because some people might type this in, some people might type that in, but 60 people look for this per month. They get 5 calls from those 60, and they are in the number 5 position on Google for that as well too. So these are the type of search terms, keywords that you want to have added to your website when you do have it built. All right, that's pretty much all I have for you, Alan. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions or concerns, or if you just pretty much want to say, hey, I like the video, then give me some feedback. Let me know how it worked. I'm doing quite a bit of these videos today. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.